What's going on, Natty Dads? Today is only the first day of maintenance, of the maintenance phase, and I already feel better. I don't know if that's just like the mental load of not having to restrict calories, or it's the fact that I ate 200 calories more yesterday and had an amazing workout this morning. It's kind of crazy how much of a difference 200 calories can make. I mean, I'm sure that I'm not completely rid of the diet fatigue that I experienced for 9 weeks, but just that little boost in calories was a nice change. And so I'm definitely looking forward to the maintenance phase. I know it's not gonna be all sunshine and rainbows. One of the things I've already realized is that everything pretty much stays the same, except for the fact that I will be adding 200 calories more, which might be all the difference in the world, but eventually that sort of change and that sort of, experience is going to also get boring, and it's going to be probably more difficult with summer being as active as it is, at least for me, and going to parties and having vacations, to try to control calories under 2,600. That being said, I'm looking forward to the challenge. I'm looking forward to being able to try to navigate this the same way that I navigated my calorie deficit when I was traveling for work. Vacation adds a little bit different sort of elements of food choice, but again, it's a challenge. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to help me provide insight for you. So when you go on vacations, you kind of have some strategies, some ideas in your head. So this morning, I actually weighed in lower than I did yesterday. So I weighed at 157.8, which is, I think, 0.4 pounds less than I did the day before. The way that my app, so I use MacroFactor to basically track everything nutritionally. And the way it's switched its coaching advice is basically saying it's kind of like a radar. So it's like you're over your goal weight, you're under your goal weight, and it's going to take at least a week for it to evaluate what my initial weight fluctuation is going to be as a result of consuming more calories, because there is going to be some water weight fluctuation that naturally comes as a part of that. So that's nothing to be concerned about. But after that 1 to 2 week period, maybe even 3 weeks, depending on what it looks like, there's an evaluation on whether or not you're actually gaining official fat weight and not just, hey, this is water fluctuation. So that'll be really interesting. I'll make sure I update that as I go. Looking forward to the maintenance phase. Thanks a ton for watching. I will see you in the next video.